Verifying your identity on Orange 2026 is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your identity is confirmed quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary identification documents such as a government-issued ID, passport, or driver's license. Make sure these documents are current and clearly legible. Step 2. Access the verification portal. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Submit your information. Fill out the required fields with your personal information, including your name, address, and contact details. Upload the scanned copies or photos of your identification documents as prompted. Step 4. Complete additional verification steps. Follow any additional instructions provided, which may include answering security questions or verifying your phone number through a code sent via SMS. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your information, wait for a confirmation email or notification. This process may take a few minutes to a few hours, depending on the system's response time. Once you have completed these steps, your identity should be verified. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.